All right, if you were asked this question on the SAT, would you be able to convert Usain Bolt's acceleration? So the tricky thing here is that it's acceleration, not velocity. So to convert from acceleration, the squared really changes things. So it's 9.5 meters over seconds squared. Now to convert from meters to kilometers, we divide by 1,000. So it's going to be 1 kilometer over 1,000 meters times, now the seconds squared, to go to minutes, there are 60 seconds in a minute over 1 minute. This is what most people do. The thing they mess up on is that it's squared, so we have to square these values here. So then we're going to do 9.5 times 3,600 all over 1,000, and that will give you 34.2, and that's our answer. That's the kilometers per minute squared.